In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order and request a refund on the TEMU app easily. Whether you've changed your mind about a product or placed an order by mistake, this simple step-by-step guide will help you cancel your order and get your money back quickly. First, open the TEMU app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the U tab at the bottom of the screen. That's where your account options are located. From there, tap on Your Orders. Here, you'll see all your recent and past orders. To cancel one, look for the order that's still under processing. If it's already shipped, you won't be able to cancel it directly and may need to request a return instead. Once you've found the order you want to cancel, tap on Cancel Item. Next, select the specific item or items you want to cancel, and then tap on Cancel Checked Item. The app will now ask you to choose a reason for cancellation. You can select any option that fits your situation, for example, Order created by mistake, or Changed my mind. After selecting your reason, tap on Next. Now, you'll be asked to choose your refund method. The best option is usually to refund to your original payment method, which takes around 5 to 14 business days depending on your bank. Tap that option and then hit Submit. So you'll then see a confirmation screen summarizing your cancellation and refund details. Double-check everything, and once you're ready, tap Confirm. The app might ask for a final confirmation. Just tap Yes, Cancel Item. Once done, your order will be successfully canceled and your refund will begin processing. To check your refund status, go back to the Orders page anytime. Under the order you canceled, you'll see an update that says Refund issued once it's processed. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily cancel any unwanted order and get your refund processed smoothly through the TEMU app without any hassle. It's always a good idea to double-check your order status afterward to make sure everything is updated correctly. You can revisit the Orders page anytime to track your refund progress and see when the payment has been returned to your original method. So if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy TEMU tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.